Hey friends, if Excel Toolbar is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to troubleshoot Excel in safe mode. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command excel.exe space / safe and hit enter. Now click on File, select Options, go to Add-ons, select com add-ons, click on Go and check all of these options here and then select Remove and then click on OK. The next solution is to repair Microsoft Excel. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps, and then you can scroll down to Microsoft Excel Office. Okay, I'll show you. Soft. Okay, this one. Click on the three dots associated with it, select Modify. Now select the option for online repair and then click on the repair option. And the last solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, select apply and then click on OK and finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.